there guys, and welcome back to yet another FPV Guy video from interdrone 2018. I'm right now hanging out with SkySense, and this is Andrea, the inventor essentially of this system.
Yeah, that's correct.
Andrea, I really fly drones manually, but you have a system here, and I kind of stopped. I was like, what on earth does this do? You're charging drones. This is an auto charging platform.
Yeah, that's correct. So most of our customers work in the security inspection markets, and they realize that managing teams of people is a hassle. It takes a lot of time to get out the drones in the field with trucks and cars reaching far and remote locations.
Right.
They need to organize the operations, to organize the people. The delivering results is always really slow. And they started investing resources since late 2015 in developing autonomous drone solutions that don't require human intervention. And in order to deploy a drone without people, you need to leave the drone in the field. And part of how you do this is by placing it on a charging station. And this is a good example of a charging station. It's made of two components. Yeah, the first component is a charging platform. As you can see, this is like a chessboard. So we have many insulated elements that can be dynamically activated.
So they're not right now powered?
They're not powered, that's correct. But we have a software and a hardware circuitry that is scanning the platform all the time.
Okay.
And is looking for the plugin. The plugin that is mounted on the drone is really easy to retrofit. You need just 5 minutes to install it. It's made of two contacts, one circuit responsible for the detection of the two contacts on this platform.
Okay.
And one cable that goes straight into the battery.
Okay.
So you fix the mounting, you connect the wires to your battery, and you're good to go. 40 grams. When the drone lands on the platform, or when the drone sits on the platform, two spring-loaded contacts are touching always
and because they're individually addressed, it's okay if it catches between two tiles.
That's correct. Actually, if it catches also 6 tiles, yeah, exactly. Now it's charging. You can see there. If it catches more than one tile, we just activate one.
Okay.
And what is good about this system is the reduced payload and the fact that on the entire surface, no matter where you land, you have 92% efficiency, which is something you can absolutely forget with any
unlike inductive charging.
Exactly.
So what happens on the range?
So when it rains, we have the outdoor edition. It's a new patent.
I like that, a new patent.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because it's a problem that it took us 3 years to solve it.
Wow.
And but yeah, it works in the rain. It can it's powered up to 500 watts, so it's a bit more powerful than the one you have here. This is the indoor edition. It goes from up to 350 watts. That's 500 watts. We're increasing to 1.5 kilowatt by the end of the year.
So you're fast charging a lot of big stuff.
Yeah. Yeah,
so what kind of customers are buying this from you?
Customers in the inspection domain, security, big corporations that are willing to automate drone deployments at scale.
So basically what we're learning here is you can take the drone, so it's basically cheaper to deploy a drone, buy the platform, buy the drone, leave it alone out there, then access it via an IP consideration, have it do an inspection, land again, and be ready next time.
Yeah, that's what they're working on. Yeah. And since they're working on this solution since 2014-15, and now we see that this year, since January, some of them is planning to move to production and bringing actually the entire system, autonomous solution outdoor, so in the real world, integrated with UTM and with the regulation framework, which was the main blocker as
yeah, right today. Now remotely operated drones is so illegal in Europe, or at least in the US.
In Europe and the US, but not in the countries where our big corporations are deploying it. So they start just experimenting.
So guys, if you're looking for a solution for your business to deploy drones, auto-charge them, Andrea from SkySense is your ticket. What's your website?
SkySense.co.
SkySense.co,
yeah.
not COM.
Not yet.
So SkySense.co, we're going to put it down here as always. Make sure you go visit his website. If you have questions about this, do shoot them an email because they want to know, and tell them that you saw the video from interdrone 2018. Of course, also subscribe and share this link out on all the commercial boards you go to and groups you frequent. Other people want to know, so share the link. Thank you for watching, and we'll have more videos from interdrone 2018.
Thank you.